Lesson 33. Future Simple Passive Voice, 1. Sarah's book for children. Sarah is writing her second book for children. It will probably be finished next month and published next year. There will be a lot of colorful drawings in the book, and they will be created by kids from a few different countries. The book is about an 8-year-old girl, Ruby. She travels the world with her parents and learns something new every day. The story will be written in English, but it will be translated into Spanish as well. Sarah is an excellent writer, so it will be read and enjoyed by thousands of children. Her first book was a hit, and this one will be even better. It will probably be sold in popular bookshops and online. Maybe it will be made into a movie one day.
An important package. Nathan is waiting for a package from a jewelry store. It will probably be sent today, so he hopes that it will be delivered to his office next week. Why will it not be brought to his house? Because it's a gift for Rosie, his girlfriend. She doesn't know about it, so the surprise can't be ruined. The gift is a gold necklace. It will be packed into a small box with the letter R on it. It's very elegant, so it will definitely be worn for special occasions. Nathan is going to give it to Rosie during a romantic dinner in their favorite Italian restaurant. The dinner will most probably be cooked by Roberto, the most experienced chef there. Nathan will phone the restaurant today to discuss the details with him.
A new place in town. Most people in our small town are very excited because they say that a new gym will be opened here next year. It's the hottest news right now, everybody is talking about it. They say that many different fitness classes will be offered there. Zumba, yoga, aerobics, and even kickboxing. The classes will be taught by professional instructors. All the equipment will be bought by a local businessman. They will probably cost a fortune, but he has enough money and wants to do something for others. His money will also be spent on renovating the building. Isn't that great? It definitely sounds great, but will it really happen? We'll see.